Adobe Connect Meetings Share Pod has 4 common content and classroom tools within it. This video focuses on sharing your screen. Please see the other videos in this series to learn about sharing documents, whiteboards, and YouTube videos. Use the Share Screen tool to show participants what is on your screen. It's a great tool to demonstrate the use of specific software or to explore websites, documents, photos, and other files together. Be sure to close any applications that you don't want or need to share, to both save on bandwidth requirements and to avoid inadvertent sharing of confidential or personal information. In order to reduce bandwidth requirements and provide participants with a better viewing experience, we recommend that you avoid using Screen Share to share files that can be uploaded using the Share Document feature. For videos, you can upload an MP4 or Flash file using the Share Document tool, use the YouTube viewer, or paste a link into the chat pod. To share other types of files, applications, or windows, click Share My Screen. You can share your entire desktop. This would include all taskbars, applications, notifications, backgrounds, everything. This is the most flexible option, but runs the risk of sharing information inadvertently. Alternatively, you can select specific applications to share. This will show everything pertaining to only those applications, and all other items will appear cross-hatched to participants. For applications that may have several windows open, you can select to share specific windows only. When you enter the screen sharing mode, the meeting room disappears and runs in the background so that you have access to the entire screen. A mini controller appears in the lower right corner, giving access to the meeting room tools. If the controller minimizes, click the monitor icon to expand it again. You can switch back to the meeting room view at any time, but remember that if you are sharing your whole desktop, participants will see your meeting room view as well. Click Switch to Mini Controller to go back to screen sharing mode. While you are sharing, participants will see your cursor movements and other actions within the shared content. If you want participants to interact with the shared content, make them either a host or a presenter, and then they can request control. You will see this request indicated in the notifications section of the mini controller, and you can grant access from there. You and the other participants will now see their cursor movements and actions in the shared content. Pause screen sharing at any time and use the markup tools to annotate a screenshot of what you are sharing. You can then save or send a snapshot of your annotations. Click Resume to go back to the screen share. When you are finished, click Stop Sharing to go back to the Adobe Connect meeting room. For more information about Adobe Connect Meeting and to see additional videos about the SharePod features, please visit the host resource page at echannelconnect.contactnorth.ca/help. For technical assistance, call the Contact North Help Desk Monday to Friday, 7:30 a.m. to 10:30 p.m. at 1-888-850-4628.